drink. There we go, people coming in. Maybe you should have mic. Mic helps. Yay! How you guys doing? How you guys doing? There we go. There we go. People coming in. Nice. Hi Kelly. Lloyd, how you doing, man? Selling out to the B signal from CoinSkid. Pump up the volume. Like we know, like, why should we go down to 38k? It doesn't make any sense. You know, we had I hit like 40k 6 times. You know, people are saying like the more you hit it, you know, it's gonna break down. But you know, when you hit something 6 times, you know, pump time. Yeah. Tell something nice about Dent. Like, dude, Ron, Dent, doesn't matter if it's called Dent or Curve or a Fill or Phantom, doesn't matter the name. Dent is up 9% right now. Let's see here. Nice, something nice about Dent. It's above a very important moving average. Just kind of hit a little bit of resistance here, and this downtrend line is actually, you know, up here, you know. But you know, eventually you'll get past that, man. You'll get past that. You can see here this downtrend line. Downtrend line is corresponding really nicely with this 200 moving average. So you know, eventually, you know, this will, you know, go up here. You know, it will go to the moon. You will make money. You will become rich. I'm just waiting for this moment. You know, that looks fine. That looks fine, man. That looks fine. Everything looks fine right now. You can see here that even the Dent had some kind of support down here that bounced off that support. A lot of stuff bounced off the support, man. A lot. China just banned stretching. The Old Testament of the fundamental is coming true. Everything is coming true, guys. I told you guys, BTC will be 77 next week. Next week, dude. That's a big move for Bitcoin. 77 next week. By the way, earlier today we had the Bitcoin live stream today, and we said, okay guys, 49,999.99, that might be the top, you know. And I thought we are gonna dump here. I seriously thought we were gonna dump here, but we didn't. I mean, we did hit the top, you know, up here, but then slowly start going up here. Slowly start going up here. This is a 1 minute chart, you know, so don't take it too seriously. Slowly start going up here, but you can see here, as soon as we broke this level, man, as soon as we broke on the 1 minute chart this level, as soon as we broke to the upside, like everything exploded. Look at this moving average. This is 1 minute chart. Don't take it too seriously. Don't take 1 minute chart. But there are more bullish, scenarios for Bitcoin right now than 1 minute chart. We can go to the 4-hourly chart. It looks nice. It looks insane, guys. Look at the 4 minute chart. Sorry, 4-hourly chart. What do we say today, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hits on the support, guys. Why should we go down here so everybody gonna get filled? The next time we hit 38,000, you know, you won't be getting filled. You will be getting dumped. Do not go down to 38, guys. Do not go down to 38. Bit speed 253 by November 2020 and 532 31st December. Rocket. Chaco ban. I don't know where your crystal ball comes in, but doesn't matter. This looks very strong. How much we have until the 4-hourly close? 4-hourly close is in 6 minutes. 6 minutes until 4-hourly close. Extremely bullish 6-hourly, 4-hourly close. First thing first, this candle up here, previous close, we closed above here. We said that's very bullish. There are definitely bullish, but we are inside this resistance area. This resistance area around 45,000. We are inside that resistance area, and you know that you know it might pull on the downside. You know, you never know. It's very hard, but right now it's really hard to argue for anything else than upwards movement. It's really, look at this. You don't even have to draw this line down here. You can just draw it like this, man. You can just do like this. Look at this, man. And right now this candle up here is breaking this this pivot point up here. It's breaking this breaking the resistance up here. So everything down here, it's done. It's done, and we are mooning, guys. We are mooning now. You know, I should expect, you know, since we are up 8%, I should expect some kind of sideways move. So these moving averages have some kind of time to get a little bit up there. But it does look very nice. It does look very nice. What's the best bullish scenario? I don't know, like 1 million or something like that. Can you look at the volume? Let's look at the volume. Yeah, volume is interesting, and volume pumped really hard. You can see here all this entire move has been going towards upside, so it is legit move towards the upside. It is legit move at least on the 4-hourly time frame. We're gonna look at the daily and the weekly as well, but this is legit move to the upside. And somebody turn off my music. I cannot let people turn off my music, man. This looks like a legit move, guys. This looks like a legit move. We're gonna also, because you can see these stops are getting higher, right? You know, overall it is going towards the upside, right? It is pumping towards the upside, so it does look very, very nice, very, very good. Let me see this. What's this on? This is beats. Let me just use the stream beats. Stream beat. Let me just fix the music, guys. Let me fix the music. Streambeats.com, copyright free music. Chills. Where is my house? There's house. Oh, this was a little bit loud. A little bit loud. There we go. There we go. We can live with this. We can live with this. BTC 1 billion by 2030. Somebody said, well, like 1 trillion, you know. But sure, why not, man? Do you see a pullback at 46k? Right now we are at 47k. There could be a pullback because of these moving averages down here. Yeah, we'll see how extended we are from the moving averages, you know. But any kind of 8% move on Bitcoin on 4 hour will have some kind of sideways move. Christopher Robinson going to the moon. Alex Bonat, why is my stuff stopping, man? I don't know why music is stopping all the time. I don't know. There we go, there we go. Okay. By the way, no spam, guys, no spam, please, no spam. Don't make me come out with a bam hammer, you know. But it does look nice, it does look nice, and this move, it does look legit, guys. It does, you know, the move looks legit, but it's on the 4 hourly. So let's go up on the daily and see the move. It is too early to call because this. Why is my music start? Okay, guys, no music. Unfortunately, no music. Why is there no music, man? Why is there no music? If I have to do this one more time, I'm gonna be, you know. Okay, man. Okay, man. Okay, man. Okay. Timeout. Let's see here. Let's see here. So on the daily, these two candles are going towards the upside, but this candle, the volume up here is not yet fully done yet. You know, still got 12 hours left, you know, to fill the volume up. So if this moves towards the upside, okay, that's it. I'm done with the music, guys. I'm done with the music. What's this kind of crap, man? What's this kind of crap? I tried several times. We try one last time. Try one last time. Did you take trade or busy streaming? I'm busy streaming, man. Not only busy streaming, I was, you know, working, you know, remodeling apartment, you know, doing that every day after the Bitcoin daily. You know, I'm just waiting for that to finish, man. I'm just waiting for that to finish. So the move looks legit, guys. The move looks like. Let's see the weekly volume. The weekly is still slow to the upside, but you can see here the volume is going up with the down move, with the down move. So it does not actually look good on the weekly, but on the weekly time frame, guys, on the weekly time frame, we did bounce off of the 50 and the 20 moving average. You can see here. Right now bouncing up here. Big resistance is up down here and up here, so we're gonna see that there are few important resistances on the upside. Let's see up here that we are breaking. Now, these are weekly. Today is Friday, so 2 more days left, so we're gonna see how these actually, you know, play out at the end of times, but right now it is stupidly bullish right now. It is stupidly bullish because if you look at the daily time frame, even on the daily time frame, we still have to close, but we are above all the moving averages on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, again above all the moving, like that happened up here, and right now it's happening again. Okay, so ever since the bull run you know, took a break, went into some miniature bear market down here, you know, up here we are above all the moving, and right now we are back above all the moving averages again. So this might be super bullish, guys. Not only that, look at his downtrend line. Let me remove the moving averages up here for a second. Look at his downtrend line, guys. Look at his downtrend line. That's getting broken. That's getting broken like MF. Unless we get some kind of big, you know, move to the downside. Unless we get some kind of big move to the downside, it creates some kind of you know, big extreme week up here. It looks bullish. It looks very bullish. That said, let's check out the news, guys. Let's see what the news are saying. This is string theory stuff. You know, we are not going to get into physics right now, but let's see here. Bitcoin news. Let's see what the news are saying. Let's see what the news are. Cryptocurrency price today, nothing. Most crypto will fail, nothing. Bitcoin rises 5.2, nothing. El Salvador just started mining Bitcoin volcanoes for the first time ever. So is El Salvador pumping Bitcoin? Started buying Bitcoin volcanoes for the first time ever, and they already made $269. a country made $269, you know. But these small amounts are really nice. I remember when I started, you know, streaming, and you know, the first time I managed to monetize my YouTube channel, I was getting $2 on actually $4. No, it was actually $1. I made $1, and that was the sweetest dollar I ever made. I was so happy for the rest of the day, you know. So maybe El Salvador is there right now, you know. It's the first dollar, $269. So maybe they are really happy about it, right? Because they know it's going in the right direction. It's going in the right direction. It's going to right. This is a crazy candle. Yeah, definitely crazy candle. El Salvador has mined 0.0059 Bitcoin, or about 269, with power harnessed from the volcano. It's a first in the country. Bukalera indicated his tweet Friday that mining project was still in a work in progress, that they are still in the process of testing and installing new mining equipment. So definitely, yeah, El Salvador is definitely going all in. Not enough for iPhone for wife. It starts with $1. It starts with 269, and it's 2069, and then it's like 20,000, and then it's 200,000, and soon it's like 2 million. You know, so you know it's gonna get there. It's gonna get there. You know, but you know they got to start with something, and this is a very good start. Any kind of profit is good profit. Crazy green candle, yeah, crazy green candle, man. So are there any other news right now? Let me just change this a little bit. This may shows the best days for Bitcoin mining. Nope. Bitcoin Ether price surges, popular cryptocurrency record gains after 2 days slump. Nope. Bitcoin, no. So there is actually no news. No news. Twitter. Yeah, whatever. Twitter. I'm scared. Patience wins out. Jordan Cameron. If you're not following Jordan Cameron, you should be following. I don't have many guys I follow, you know, but you know that's that. So I don't think that you know we pumped on any kind of news or anything, but you know the Fed did say that they are not gonna regulate. BTC 4-hourly close, yeah, 4-hourly close, 2 minutes. Oh, nice! Look at this, guys, super bullish, extreme bullishness. Look at this. This is a green candle that's closed right now. This is extremely bullish, guys. This over here is extremely bullish, closed above 200 moving average, closed above the top up here, closed above entire resistance up here. We gotta, you know what we gotta do, guys? We gotta press the button down here. We gotta press the button. You know, there's the button here. It says remove all drawings. We gotta press the button, guys. We gotta press the button and start over again, because right now we are no longer looking at supports. We are no longer looking at 40k. We are no longer looking at 39k. We don't care what's down here. We care what's up there. So right now on this stream, we're gonna you know, identify important resistances like this one up here and this one up here, and we're gonna see how far we can get up. How far we can get up right now. Before we get to that point, let's see if we are extending on the away from the moving averages, So these are the most important moving averages. Beside everything, like down there. sign everything down there. It is pumping. So let's pop the TLA overextend indicator down here and see how much extended are we to the upside. Are we looking some kind of pullback? Yes, definitely looking for some kind of pullback, and it's gonna happen pretty quick. You can see up here, that right now we are very extended to the upside. These extensions do not come often, guys. These extensions do not come often. 1, 2, 3 times down here, 4 times, 5 times in the bull market, the worst, you know, the stupid bull market. Like, look at this. But every time, you know, just because we get there, you know, it means that we're gonna go sideways. You know, you get up here, we had a little bit drop down here to the 50 moving average. Let's see down here, up here at the top, we had a pullback. This one up here, big pullback on the downside. And this one up here went a little bit sideways and to the downside. Like, this was extreme bullishness kick in, and then you gotta go all the way up down here, you gotta all the way down here. But when you got this extended to the upside, you know, up here, you know, you pull back. Also down here there was a couple of pullbacks. Up here this only went sideways, so it can go either sideways or down, but I don't think, you know, there is a much probability actually to go or push it down on the upside. This up here was actually quite extended one, and then pull it back down here. Let's see more, and right now we are extremely to the upside. And I'm not saying this they cannot push more, it can, but right now we are getting to some kind of extreme levels on the 4-hourly time frame. This 4-hourly time frame, keep that in mind, because 4-hourly time frame is not really indicative of too much. You know, this can, you know, go sideways, go a little bit back. The thing is, this 10 moving average, this white line is gonna get hit eventually. This white line is gonna get hit eventually. You know, I don't know if it's gonna be something like this up here, or it's gonna be on the downside or sideways. But what we do know, it's right now we are getting some kind of extensions. Is there a moon button? There is a moon button. No, there is no moon button. BTC woke up from September, looking like BTC wants to go even further green. It looks like it wants to go further green, but I think a lot of people are getting the FOMO right now. Once we pass this level up here, this just went too fast. Look at the 5-minute chart, guys. This just went way too fast. Nobody had time to buy. Nobody had time to buy this, like this up here. Nobody had time to buy this. Okay, so people are buying this up here. People are buying this up here. Let's look at the volume. If volume goes down, yeah, this isn't you know, this isn't a good move on the 1-minute chart right now. I think it might have some kind of pullback here before it actually continues towards the upside. This is, no, sorry, this is 5-minute chart. You know, maybe break it on downside because the volume is you know, going a little bit down. So maybe a small move towards downside, something like this, or you know, maybe it does exactly the same thing, right, and then it continues to go into the upside. But nobody had time to buy this. Nobody had time to buy this. Nobody had time to buy it. 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. 20 minutes pump, guys. 20 minutes pump. People at work and nobody saw this. It just pumped crazy. What kind of pump is this? What kind of pump is this? That's 6% pump in 20 minutes. That's bullish. If that's not bullish, Car to Moon did. Someone bought the hips in 1 minute when US market opened. Carl bought the pump. I mean, you gotta be sitting at PC to buy this. You gotta be sitting at PC to buy this. I wasn't at PC, you know. Where is killing it now? WeChain. Where is WeChain right now? WeChain 13.75%. Yeah, altcoins are not actually looking that strong. Bitcoin looks a lot more stronger than altcoins. I'm seeing most of my altcoins are around 6, 8, 7%, give or take. Some altcoins are above 10%, 10, 11, 12%, give or take, but most altcoins are below Bitcoin actually. So that's telling me right now that Bitcoin, this is the Bitcoin dominance chart, Bitcoin right now is still pushing you know, the dominance towards the upside, so I don't think we're gonna see you know, alt season quite now. So I think we need to hit some kind of top with Bitcoin before we get the alt season everybody wants. So I'm gonna show you here when alt season started for Bitcoin. When did altcoins start for Bitcoin? There have been couple of you know, alt seasons starting, and I'm going to show you a 2-time start. First time Bitcoin was, you know, rallying up here, and up here, you know, up here when we hit the first stop up here, that's when alt season started. So all of this up here This was the all season, and same thing happened up here. We rallied with Bitcoin towards the top up here, and over here started the all season. Okay, so this is the all season, this is Bitcoin rallying. Okay, this is Bitcoin rallying, and this is the all season. Okay, so right now Bitcoin is rallying towards the upside. Bitcoin is rallying towards the upside. So we're gonna see if you know, if we're gonna get any kind of all season up here. But we can, you know what we can do? We can we can compare Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin dominance or something like that. It's called Bitcoin dominance. BTC point D, Bitcoin dominance chart, new price scale. Here we go. This is Bitcoin dominance chart, and here you can see. Let me just clear up the chart. When Bitcoin is going towards the upside, and the chart is going, sorry, when Bitcoin is going towards the upside, chart going towards the upside, that means altcoin season. Okay, so you can see here Bitcoin was going up, the chart was going up, no altcoin season, Bitcoin is winning. But as soon as we hit this first stop up here, look, Bitcoin continued going up all the way up here, right? But look at the altcoins. Altcoins were wrecking, you know, they are wrecking the Bitcoin. They were winning on Bitcoin. So this is called altcoin season. And the same thing happened over here. Bitcoin started going up here, even an entire move up here. Bitcoin dominance going up, but at this very point up here, this point up here, the same happened over here on this point. All season started, so Bitcoin continued rallying towards the upside all the way up here, right? All the way up here. So this part over here, but look down here, this is the all season, screaming, right? And right now what's happening right now, Bitcoin is going up, and we have the move towards the upside. So Bitcoin is winning right now. That's why I'm seeing like 6-7% on altcoins and not like 20-30% on altcoins, because right now Bitcoin, everybody's in the Bitcoin, everybody's waiting for the Bitcoin to do the first move. But once the Bitcoin does the first move, once Bitcoin does the big move, I don't know how big this move is gonna be, but once Bitcoin is done with the big move, you know, money will flow away from Bitcoin into altcoins, and you will get another big alt season, guys. Another big alt season. So that is gonna come. But right now it's not alt season, unfortunately. But if we continue going towards the upside, if you know, Bitcoin continues rallying towards the upside, once it starts, you know, rallying, you know, it gets some kind of first pullback or something like that, it stops with a you know, push towards the upside. And that's gonna be it when you see the Bitcoin still continuing towards the upside, but the dominance goes down. So when dominance is going down and Bitcoin is rallying to upside, then it's alt season, guys, and that's when you're gonna make your money. Alt's still doing 8 though. Yeah, they're still doing fine. I'm not saying they're not. I mean, 10% is 10% up, but most of my altcoins that I'm watching right now, 6-7%, 8%, 4%, and while Bitcoin is at 8.7%. Usually when Bitcoin does 8.7%, everything is up 20-30%. That's when you know you have alt season. But right now it's not alt season. Right now it's a Bitcoin market. It's invalidated after this spunk, because if you decide to go low market, we'd be dumping to 36k. Nah, I short market, thank me, because if you decide to go, like, there is time to short and there is time to long. I get that. You know, shorters can win, long, you know, this still didn't break my, you know, bullish target, bullish resistance up here. We're gonna talk about this 53,000. You know, if you want this to be anything than a small rally towards the upside, we gotta break this level up here. But once you break this level up here, guys, that's gonna be insane. You break the 53,000, you're going to the moon. You break 53,000, you're going to the moon. My guess is short squeeze. Yeah, it might be short squeeze. You know, somebody said on the stream, that down here people are shorting. I couldn't get it. Why are people shorting the, yeah, 1, 2, 3? I see that, you know, support is being hit and stuff like that, but why are people, you never short above support? So we have some kind of support. You never short up here. You should you short when it breaks, retest, and then you short it, right? But you never go down to the support and then short it. The same thing you don't do is like go up to resistance and then, you know, long it on the resistance, right? You don't do that either. You know, there is probability it can break the resistance, but are you really gonna take that risk? Because if it doesn't, it's gonna dump hard, and then, you know, you are you know, messed up. Turn along to 2.9 billion. What? This is just a big B wave. People in FOMO reach 52k. then it will go to 100k, and then you will enter a C wave of the correction. B wave doesn't go up to 100k, man. BTC is a scam. Yeah, but it goes up, so why do you care, man? Central bank digital currency are on their way. Yeah, and it doesn't matter, man. Bitcoin goes up, you know, it doesn't matter if it's a scam. It's okay. Bitcoin being a scam is fine for us as long as it goes up, man. If Bitcoin is a scam and it goes to 300,000, it's gonna be the best scam in history, man. It's gonna be such a sweet scam. Longs before 40k pullback is expected. Do you think we'll get back to 45k today? Like, it's hard to tell right now. A lot of people, like, there have been very few people that bought. Okay, I said, you know, almost nobody bought this up here. But right now I'm gonna say like very few people bought this. Like, there is probably some people that bought it, but very few people bought the pump. The same thing goes down here. Very few people bought this. They were expecting this to go down because we were hitting some kind of important resistance up here, and then it just blew through entire resistance towards the upside. So very few people bought it. So most people are right now want to FOMO in up here. Most people want to FOMO in. So yeah, maybe we're gonna have some kind of pullback up here before we continue towards the upside. I think we might have some kind of pull, but we don't have to have it because it's that bullish. TLR wrecking the FUD Elmao. Yeah, there is no FUD now. There is no FUD now. Right now we are actually doing very nicely. Let's just go a little bit back in time to get my lines. You know, where are the lines? Where are the lines? Oh, there are the lines. There are the lines. Okay, so see here, this is why people didn't FOMO in. So down here, people are expecting still 38k. All right, people are still expecting 38k down here, and that's fine. People are expecting 38, 39k down here, you know, when we are going here, because, you know, it hits it so many times it's gonna drop. But we said, like, there's no reason to go down here because we are not dropping down here below that. Everybody's gonna buy here, so why should we drop here so everybody can you know, get filled, when we can just go up here and then get all of these 38k wannabes, you know, FOMO back in on Bitcoin up here. Like, that might be happening, right? That might happen. So right now everybody up here wants to FOMO in. Everybody right here wants to FOMO in, and they are just waiting. But everybody is thinking like, no, it's fine, it's fine. It's gonna pull back, it's gonna pull back. I'm gonna buy it on the support, and then we're gonna go up. But what happens if there is no support? What happens if this just goes up here? Do you know how many people are gonna FOMO in? Do you know how many people, 38k people are gonna FOMO in? It's gonna be insane. Insane amount of people are gonna FOMO in. Insane amount of people are gonna FOMO in if this continue going towards the upside. Especially if we go above the 53k. Especially if this continue like some insane speed up above 53k. All of these people, like, you just lost something like 30% on Bitcoin, right? I bought the bottom. Little Beast Mastery Training. You did well, you did well. If BTC did not break the 49k resistance, is it bearish divergence valid? Bearish divergence? I didn't see bearish divergence. There was some kind of daily bearish divergence, but, you know, we said if it continues going up, there is none, and right now it's up, so there is none. I think if it doesn't break the close above the neckline at 47.7, it will be a double top. Well, right now we have a double bottom. Right now we have confirmed double. Now technically we don't have a confirmed double bottom because this is a daily candle. But we were talking about. Let me see if I have it up here somewhere. All right, there, double bottom strategies. No, this one. No, this one. This one, right? We said it has to get above, you know, it goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up. It has to get above this middle week, right? Above this V shape, right? Double bottom needs to get above up here. That's bullish, and you can see here that's why we have this resistance up here. We have to get above it. And what happened, guys? What happened just right over here? It exploded. It exploded like crazy. Let's put the line up there. Let's go on the daily. Put the line there and make it thick, nice. So this is the line. Let's make some nice color like pink or something like that, so you can see it easily. Let's go to the 1 hourly chart. Look at this, guys. Look at this. As soon as we broke the line, look at the pink line, guys. Look at the pink line. So this happened. We went up here. We went up here, right? Then we went above the pink line. Hold above pink line. Retest, back test, support, and then, guys, we pumped. Then we pumped, okay, above the pink line, above this very important level up here on the 4 hourly chart, on the daily chart. Where is the daily chart? On the daily chart. That level was very, very important level, and we pumped above that level. It was super nice. It was super nice. It was a very nice move, extremely nice. Pullback maybe after EOS wakes up and FOMO's in. Then we... RSI is way too high. It's gonna drop hard. RSI way too high. What you talking about, man? What you talking about? On daily, RSI is at 56. Do you think 56 on the daily is way too high? What kind of chart are you looking at? Do you think that weekly 57 level is way too high? What kind of chart are you looking at? Daily 58. Weekly 57. Maybe on the 4 hourly a little bit 74. But it's not that high. That's why we're saying some kind of pullback, some kind of sideways might happen just to correct a little bit on the 4 hourly. But on the daily and the weekly, you know, the time frames that matter, the daily and the weekly, the time frames that matter, RSI is not overbought. RSI is not overbought on the daily and weekly. Probably 15 minutes or 5 minutes, yeah. He's looking at 3 monthly. 56 isn't very high. He might be looking at 50 monthly. He's definitely looking at something we are not looking at, but we don't think it's that high. We don't think on the 4 hourly maybe, you know, maybe he's talking about some kind of pullback on the 4 hourly chart or something like that. But you know, we are not there. We are not there. You know, we are looking up there, and you know, this moves is so nice. Yeah, this is fine. So next resistance, next big resistance, guys. Next, how is the volume? The volume looks okayish. Like this candle must, this volume up here must, you know, start going a little bit more up. This definitely, but you know, we still got 11, 12 hours, you know, to pump the volume. So no problem with the volume. Right now, everybody's gonna FOMO in, so volume is gonna pick up. Moon phases. Moon phases are not actually, you know, they are working out. They are working out, definitely. You can see here the moon phases, you know, the full moon is actually pushing us up, guys. You cannot go against the moon. You cannot go against the moon. We are waiting for the 6th of October up here, you know. We said, you know, it'd be nice to go up here a little bit down and then continue towards the upside. That'd be the best case scenario, right? No resistance. There are some resistance on upside, man. There are definitely some resistance upside. So we're gonna see that here, up here, 48,300, big resistance on the upside. Yeah, this is one, and then you got up here at what's that? 52.6. Let's see how this looks on the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame. So this weekly time frame is actually down here, and this one we are breaking, but you know, yeah. It's up there. You see, it's up there. These two are up there, and this one is. This is important for the daily. This is important for the daily. So if you can get up here like that, that's gonna be so sweet, man. That's gonna be so sweet. Chances for dumpy weekend, in my opinion. It pumped based on news that crypto won't be getting banned by the US, and it is the beginning of the month as well. Amazing chamber. Love is buying. Anything right now. Love is buying anything right now, so would be nice. Stupid FOMOing. Where do you project with? Like, FOMOing is always stupid, doesn't matter. If you're emotional, like everybody's emotional right now, you know, somebody, you know, take a big breather and buy on the moving average. Doesn't matter what kind of moving averages you buy on, you know, you buy the moving. Even the 4 hourly moving, you are extended from all the moving averages, doesn't matter, you know. At least wait for some kind of moving average to buy on, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you go sideways, you know, some kind of moving average to buy on. Never buy without the moving averages on as support. Did you cover the Iran news? Yeah, I did cover the Iran news. Where is the Iran news? But I don't think it is, you know, pumping on Iran news, because here's the Iran news. Where is it? No, this is Australia. This is, yeah, $1 billion Bitcoin mining industry resumes in Iran after 3-month ban. So, number one, El Salvador is started mining with, you know, volcanoes, and Iran, after 3-month ban, is continuing mining after, you know, electricity stress. So I think Iran was on the dump. I think Iran. How much is 3 months down here? Let's see how much is 3 months. 3 months. 3 months ban. 40, 60. Up here. So this is the ban. This is the ban. 3 months. No, this is 90. Okay. This is the ban, guys. This is the ban. From over here to over here, this is the Iran ban. So I think they just like banned it just to, you know, buy cheap. You know, oh, we're gonna ban Bitcoin because electricity. You know, FUD push the price down, but price, you know, managed to get up. But right now, like they're like, you know what, we done. We bought Bitcoin. Let's go up. You know, the Iran news, Viva Iran. Yeah, Viva Iran. Right now, Iran is like, yeah, let's go up. So Iran news is bullish, So you got the bullish Iran news, you got bullish El Salvador news, you got all kind of bullish news. No one cares about Iran ban Almao. Pregnancy, yeah, we know, man, we know. But still, Iran news, you know. I think I'll wait for pullback. Yeah, so pullback. So it is nice pump. It is nice pump to the resistance. So we're gonna see how this goes further up. I was a little upset because you have to get away a couple of days ago. Was setting, enjoying of my favorite stream beside Crown Crypto. In a second you go away after phone call. Huh? I was a little upset because you have to get away a couple of days ago. Was setting, enjoying my favorite stream. Oh, sorry, but yeah, I had to go. Yeah, sometimes you know you get a phone call and I go. But you know, I'm back now. I'm back now. Will China ban Bitcoin again? I don't know, probably. Like, how many times can you ban Bitcoin? You know, I know you're the one of people who panic sold. Oh, Chico ban. China will lift their ban when BTC's 100k. Yeah. China might lift ban eventually. You know, that's also gonna be the bullish news. You went to go. I forgive you. Ah, thanks, man. I appreciate the forgiveness. You know, I appreciate the forgiveness. So it looks super bullish on the daily time frame. We don't want any kind of pullback down here, but it's really hard whether there's gonna come any pullback. Let's try to draw any kind of line down here. Let's try, because right now we can thing is we can assume on the price. We can assume this is a pivot point. We can assume this, you know, these two we can draw the lines through, right? We can draw lines through these. Technically it's okay. Let's look at a weekly. Let's make this a little you know, thinner, and you know, let's I mean, it does work out. It does work out. The trend line is nice. So we are hitting the support at 40k. You know, we are holding the trend. We are holding the 50 moving average also. You see 50 moving average down here. So a lot of support kicking in right now. But I gotta tell you, you gotta get above this level. You gotta get above this level. It's important. It's important to get above the 52.3, 52.4, 50, whatever you call it, 52 something. It's important to get above this level. Very important to get above this 52 level up here. Or what's that? 51.9 on the weekly time. This is on Coinbase. On Binance it might be a little bit different, but it's very important to get above 51,000. Very important. What club you support in Italy? I'm a Juve fan. Actually none, you know. I'm a Blackburn fan in England, but in Italy none. Unfortunately, you know. Do you think the past 6 months since the May 9th could have been a massive cup and a handle, and we are right now breaking out of the handle? I mean, you're looking at something like this. On it might be. I'm not saying it cannot be, but it is looking a little bit weird for a cup and handle, to tell you the truth. It looks a little bit weird, but you know, doesn't matter, because this is still the trend line. You know, this is still the trend line. Up here is the trend line. So you can see here that this 52 level, this trend line, once this trend line breaks, guys, once the trend line breaks, you know, this is gonna beat. This is gonna beat. It's not gonna take a lot. Like right now, how much is that? How much is that? 8% up, guys. You're from Italy, right? No, I'm sorry, I'm not from Italy. I'm not from Italy. I'm sorry. So, you know, it's only gonna take another 8% towards the upside. You break the resistance, and you go into the moon. You know how bullish this is. You know how bullish this is. This is so bullish, guys. This is so bullish. If we can get up here, above these moving averages up here, that's bullish. Right now, I'm gonna say, like, we are not out of the you know, out of the, you have that SoundCloud. We are not out of the, you know, it is bullish move. It is really strong towards the upside up here, you know, breaking towards the upside. We're gonna see how we react to this resistance up here, how we react to this resistance up here, how we react to these resistances up here as well. You know, there are a couple of resistance that has to be broken on the upside, but it's getting there, guys. Right now we are no longer looking at this 40k level. We are no longer looking at this 45k level. Right now these are no longer. Right now we are looking up here, guys. We are looking at 52k. News are not special, the whales are pumping it. Alex, that might be it, but you know, but everybody wants to hear about news, you know. We always mention the news. We always mention the news. Well, not always, but we try to mention the news. The volume is missing. No, the volume is coming in, man. The volume is coming in. You see here, the volume is coming in right now. Let's see here. There, values. Okay, so this is what's 10.2, 12.8, 9.1, 9,125,000. So 9 million, something like that. I don't know how to read these numbers. But either way, 10.2, 12.8, 9.30. So, and this candle up here, he still has 11 hours left to get above it. So the volume will go up. I think I'm getting sick, guys. Should I buy now? I feel like I shouldn't because FOMO. Don't FOMO. Like, you can FOMO if you want. Not a financial advice. You do what you wanna do. Not this one. You do what you wanna do, but you know, let's chill a bit. You know what you wanna do, but you know, FOMO and you know, trading on emotions is really risky. Doesn't mean that you're gonna get wrecked, but it means that it's really risky. It usually means that you are you know, basing you are basing it on emotion, right? You're basing on emotion, and that's not a good thing to do. You know, you always wanna, you know, the best time to buy was down here, of course. Like technically the best time to buy was down here. This is the second best time to buy, and you know, when it starts going up, like, it's really hard to say where is time to buy, you know. But if it starts flying up here, you know, you can FOMO in, but you know, at least buy on some kind of moving average. Even the 1 hour is above this moving average. So at least wait for this moving average to hit it something and, you know, to go up, right? Tia is a Roman, he's a Viking. Thank you for the special stream, because everyone wants to know what's going on with Bitcoin. Well, I don't know whether it's gonna pump up when it's pumping up on the news or something like that, but it is definitely a good move. It is a stupidly bullish move. Look at the 4 hourly closed above the 200 moving average down here. It is stupidly good move, and the 4 hourly has nice volume. So anybody who said, you know, it doesn't have the volume to go with the price, it does have volume. It does have volume. It does have a very nice volume, especially on the 4 hourly time frame. This move from the bottom up here to the top up here that went up here, you can see here, technically up here, down here somewhere. You see the move, you can see the volume climbing up. You see these bottoms doesn't matter. You just see the volume going up. So it is confirmed by the volume. It is a very nice move towards the upside. This candle up here crushed everything up here. It is a very legit move to the upside, guys. Do you teach risk management? Yeah, don't FOMO. If you feel the FOMO, you are doing it wrong, you know. Thank you, TLA. I'm not a green name. Andrew, it's okay. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Which planet just had its apogee? None. But guys, apogees and perigees are coming on. Where is it? Yeah, we gotta go to daily time frame up here. For the guys that are first time here, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit notification button all, and the moons. Up here there are three very important moons: the full moon, the new moon, and the full moon again. These three moons up here correspond very nicely with the total eclipse on the new moon and the apogees and perigees. So big things are gonna happen between the 20th of November to 20th of December, especially on the 4th of December. Something big is gonna happen, and like we always say, we don't know if the moon is gonna go boom, you know, the earth is gonna crash, you know, the aliens are gonna invade the earth, or something is gonna happen. But on the 4th of December 2021, something huge is gonna happen. Something huge, guys. I need more confirmation myself. Gonna FOMO with the family farm when I get it. You hold any Mina? No. Double button at 41k on the monthly chart. On monthly, there's double button on the monthly. I wouldn't call it double button on the monthly. I don't see it, man. Tila, whatever you do, do not play Dodge Daddy. maybe not. Okay. Yeah, I usually play it, you know, too late. But eventually I'll have to start playing it again, man. Tila, where do you think the new moon will do with price next week? Do you remember today's stream, guys? Do you remember what he said for the moons? For the moons. Do you remember what we said for the moons? So So here are the moons. So the next moon is coming on the 6th of October. And today on the live stream we are down here, right? So we said the new moon like kicked us down. That's fine. It kicked us down on the dollar. It kicked us down, and the full moon kicked in and it pushed us up on the dollar. It pushed us up here. But what do we say? Well, we said the next new moon is coming up here, you know, up here. So we want to right now just pump as high as we can until the new moon, then slowly dump down until the full moon. And then, guys, we want to go up. We want to go up with the full moon, not the new moon, with the full moon. But right now, it will be very good for price to pump as high as it can on the full moon while it lasts, and then, you know, have some kind of slow pullback on the new moon, and then when we get the next full moon, then pump stupidly hard. This is exactly how they want you to think. Crypto works differently. This time is different. Of course, every time is different, man. Chadwick thinks that's exactly what's gonna happen. Well, we hope that's gonna happen, but you know what's gonna happen. You know, if when it comes to moon, that's what we hope for. You know, when it comes to moons, and the new moon and the next full moon, we hope we go up as far can get us some kind of pullback, and you know how this pullback is gonna be. You know, it can also be sideways, it can also go something like this and continue towards the upside. Really doesn't matter, but you know, it will be nice to pump until the new moon, then go a little bit down, and then, you know, pump hard. Take your content on the VeChain. Don't have any content on VeChain, or are you thinking ahead of time? Guys, what happened to VeChain? Oh yeah, I get it. So you see these gaps, guys. You see these gaps on everything. These gaps up here. These gaps are because of Binance messing up. These gaps are because Binance messing. I think these gaps are on everything, right? There is on everything gaps. So yeah, there are gaps on them. This is because Binance have been doing maintenance. Shiba has no gaps. XRP has gaps, guys. XRP has gaps. Matic has gaps. But these gaps are because of you know, Binance doing the maintenance. Binance doing the maintenance. Yeah. So guys, look at this. Let's remove the full moons. We don't need full moons right now. So this is what I'm thinking. Let's pull out the moving averages as well. This is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking right now we have had a very nice pump up here. Let's look at the 4-hour. We had a very nice pump. You can see this red candle up coming here because we had a way extended on the upside on the 4-hourly time frame. So some kind of sideways movement, some kind of down movement or slow up move might happen until these moving average, especially this 10 moving average, comes with the price. Okay. Once that happens, we might actually, you know, go even further up. We might go further up. That said, I expect some kind of, you know, because right now a lot of people are FOMOing, you know, a lot of people want to FOMO in right now. It can just go straight up above up here. I'm not saying that, like, we don't know. This is only like what I think it might happen, how it might play out, because right now we are super bullish, right? Super bullish, breaking everything to the upside above the 200 moving average and so forth. But up here is where the madness kicks in, guys. Up here is where the madness kicks in, okay? So keep in mind these targets up here. That's when the madness kicks in. Once you get up there, that's gonna be it. Paycheck day, salary payment. Yeah, first of October. Maybe that's why. Almost about to mine 250,000 Shibas. If the earth went flat, we would see the new all-time high on XRP, maybe. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. I just want to, you know, make a quick stream about to see how this, you know, playing out. It's playing out nicely. So everybody, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for being here. You know, if something more interesting happens, you know, we're gonna cover it. We're gonna do another, you know, live stream, stuff like that. So do, you know, do subscribe to the channel, hit notifications button all that shebang, you know, to get notifications. Hit the like button on the way out, and, you know, come back. But right now, you know, the move is legit, guys. I think the move is legit. This is super bullish. but we have to still go, you know, slowly climb towards the upside, you know. But it does look very nice. It does look very nice. I know it's 2:40 a.m. where you are. I appreciate you coming on. It's not 2:40 a.m. It's 2:40 p.m. So it's middle of the day. So I gotta go pick the kids up. You're the best. Be blessed. Anyways, guys, yeah, like the video, guys. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. See you on another stream. Just a quick stream, you know. Just say, you know, what's gonna happen. Giant cup head on a daily time frame. Yeah, we just go back in time on the stream. You will see it. You will see it. Going down right now. It's not going down that much. I mean, it's having some small pullback or something like that, maybe. Small pullback, because this up here, you can see here, Bitcoin is going up, but the volume is going a little bit down. You know, volume down is up. So, you know, it might have some kind of pullback up here. You know, we're not saying it's gonna go back to, you know, where it started, but you know, if it goes back to where it started, that's gonna be bearish. If it goes down here back to 45,000 or even lower with that, that's gonna be super bearish. But as long as you get some kind of pullback up here, you know, it looks bullish. It looks bullish. That said, adios, guys. Adios. See ya tomorrow. See ya tomorrow or tonight, later tonight, when, you know, we have more bullishness, more green candles. Bye, guys. Bye. Where is my stop button? Let's click the intro. Let's click the intro. Where is the intro? There is it.